Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful only one row repeat scarf or rectangle shawl pattern. Also you can use this pattern on your cardigans or wherever you want. It's so simple, only one row repeating. Only you need to know double crochet and single crochet. It's so simple. You can make your chains how much centimeter, how long want your width. You can make your chains like that. You need only multiples of 2 chains and it's so simple. I hope you like it. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our only one row repeat rectangle scarf or shawl pattern. Let's start to crochet. I use in my scarf King Cole Rio double knitting. It's multicolor yarn, you know. It's 70% of premium acrylic and approximately 324 yards, 294 meters. One ball is 100 grams and it's color number 240 Rhapsody. They recommend us using for needles, but I use not recommends any hook number. I use 3mm hook in my shawl. I hope it will be clear. Yes. You can wash in 40 degrees, not ironing, do not bleach, and you can dry in dry machine. We start our pattern with slip knot. Then you need multiples of 2 chains. You can make your chains which width you want, which how much centimeter. Okay, I want to make a sample, so not make your chain so tight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made a sample for the 30 chains. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3. This 3 for my first double crochet. Then skip, add 1 more chains. So totally I skip 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert into the 5th one. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, make double crochet and chain 1 space. Chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next one and make double crochet. We prepare boxes for our pattern. Okay, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, grab my yarn and make double crochet. If my video comes so fast, you can drop my speed here, 3 dots on the right of the screen. I'm completing my first row. Actually we not count this row. Okay, this is not pattern. It start also. You can start with single crochet. You will skip these singles after this row. We will make boxes in our first row like that. Chain 1, skip 1, next double. I come to end and turn to you. I come to end, skip 1, insert into the next one. This is my last stitch and make my last double. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains and turn my work. Insert into the first double stop, double crochet stop, and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same stitch and make here 3 more double. 1, 2, 3. Skip next double, skip 1 double, insert the next double stop, and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Skip this next double, insert into the next stitch, join with a single crochet, and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same, and make here 3 more double. 1, 2, 3. Skip next double, stop, insert into the one after here, skip one, insert into the next double stop. Always we are working doubles top, and we skip one, insert into the next one, and join with a single. This time our chain time. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Skip next one, insert into the next, and join with a single. This is double crochet time. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same, and make 3 double. 1, 2, 3. Skip one, insert into the next one, join with a single crochet. This is chain time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip one, insert into the next one, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same, and make here 3 more double. 1, 2, 3, and insert into the last double stop and join with a single crochet. Now we start repeating pattern, and always you will keep repeating that. It's so simple. We prepare the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your work. We have here 3 double and chain 3. I insert chain 3 space and join with a single crochet. Again make chain 3, yarn over, and insert into the same chain 3 space and make here 3 double. 1, 2, 3. Here we have chain 4 space, insert here and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next chain 3 space and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, make here 3 more double. 1, 2, 3. Come to next chain 4 space and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Come to next chain 3 space, join with a single crochet. We make here 1 double crochet set, 1 chain. Okay, I come to chain 3 space, always make again chain 3 and make 3 double crochet in chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. I join this double crochet group in chain 4 space, then make chain 4, join this chain 4 into that chain 3 space. Again make my double crochet group. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, and make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and insert your hook. 1, 2, 3 and the 4th chain, join with a single crochet. That's the pattern. It's so simple. Again you will turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and turn your work. You see chain 3 space, join it with single crochet, chain 3 and make here 3 double. 1, 2, 3. Join this group in chain 4 space with single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join this chain 4, next chain 3 space, and make again chain 3 and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. join this group in chain 4 space. Again chain 4, come to chain 3 space, and again chain 3 and make 3 double, then join it in chain 4 space, then chain 4 and come to next chain 3 space, make chain 3, 3 double crochet and join it with single crochet on the 4th chain. That's the pattern. I hope you like it. When you keep repeat it like that, it's so simple and so fast crocheting. Also, you can use more thicker yarn. I think it's more better. It looks different with thick yarns. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.